Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about monthly stock market update, and we will figure out is it bullish or bearish trend, what's going on with the stock market world. Let's switch to Webull. If you want to learn more about Webull setup, just go to the description, there is the link about Webull setup and other links about all my trainings. Let's start it. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using, let me show you on the EMA, awesome oscillator, MACD and RSI. That's all, very simple. Let me start from EMA, let me maximize it. I'm using moving averages, white line it's MA 200, purple line MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, green line MA 5. MACD indicator, red line it's a signal line, green line it's a MACD line. Same setup for RSI, signal line, red line, and green line it's RSI line. Awesome oscillator, green it's a bullish, red it's a bearish. It's easy, it's easy. Only not easy because your emotions involved. Technical part is very simple, but complicated part it's emotional and discipline. Only you can control it. Okay, let's move to monthly time frame. Let's start from monthly time frame for US dollar. US dollar monthly looks like, look at that monthly. Price action is bullish, right? But on the MACD, it's a bearish divergences. On MACD histogram, MACD line, RSI, awesome oscillator. Bearish divergences, but it's still MA5 did bearish crossover. It's ready for bearish trend, right? RSI already did awesome oscillator. MA5 ready for bearish crossover also. It touched MA20 and it kind of bounced from MA20 back to MA5. That's what we observe now. On the monthly time frame, looks like dollar wants to go bearish. And it did go bearish for last 4 months in a row, right? 5 months in a row. This month, it bounced from MA20. We'll see, it can bounce another month because MA20 is very strong support. It did stop previous month, it stopped at MA20 this month, but this month is not over yet. We'll see. It can bounce, can continue to go bounce from MA20. That's what we have on the monthly time frame. Let's move to weekly. Weekly US dollar. Let's go back to, sorry, why it's okay. Okay, US dollar weekly. US dollar weekly is bullish, right? Bullish. Weekly it's a bullish on all indicators. Let's move to Qs. Qs monthly. Qs monthly. It's interesting. The green line, it's a trend line from the top of the market. Let's see. We touched MA50. It touched. Qs touched MA50 for several months already, and looks like it bounced from MA50 because this blue line is MA50, right? And it touched it several times, several months, and finally, previous months it bounced from MA50, and now current bar touched MA20 and closed above. It's not closed because month is still not over. Month is still in the progress, and remember the February month, second part of the February month is the most weakest time of the year. Statistically, historically actually. Statistically and historically for last 50 years or 70 years, it was negative second part of the February, starting from the February 15. That's what we have right now, right? That's what situation we have. MACD is still bearish MACD, no bullish crossover, RSI bearish, awesome oscillator bearish. All indicators still bearish on monthly time frame for Qs. Still bearish. Let's move weekly. Weekly, it's different story, right? Weekly, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, 220, and last bar even about the MA50. It's only one bar above, only one line above it's MA200. MA100, I'm sorry, purple line, MA100. This ball is kind of in decision mode as of now, but month is not over, like I said. Month is not over yet. Still bullish on all indicators, right? On RSI, on all indicators, bullish. Let me, yeah, that's what we have. Still bullish. Let me minimize it to make it smaller, more nicer. Still bullish with bullish divergences, right, on weekly time frame. And we are above the MA200. This white line is a MA200, and the green line, it's not a green line, it's a major trend line from the top of the market. That's the main line from the top of the market. What we are expecting, so far it's bullish. On weekly it's bullish. I believe it will go bearish with it. We have to retest this MA200 and this trend line. It has to retest the MA200 and trend line. That's after that it can continue to go bullish. So far it's bullish, no changes. Let's move to volatility index. Let's see weekly what VXN, what happened. Yes, VXN volatility index. It's a bearish on all indicators, right? Bearish on all indicators. It means it should be bullish for Qs. VXN and weekly. It's still MACD and RSI bearish. Oscillator bullish. Moving average is bearish. It should be bullish for Qs. Let's move to SPY. SPY monthly. SPY monthly is similar, right? Trend line from the top of the market. From the top of the market. We are still bearish. We are still bearish. On MACD, on RSI, oscillator changed color to green. Bullish. MA5 did bullish crossover and last bar close above all moving averages. It is bullish signal. Like we have 50-50 indicators. 2 indicators bullish, 2 indicators bearish. What will I like? I like when all indicators align in the same trend. As of now, it's like 50-50. It's not a full confirmation. We need to get bullish crossover on MACD or on RSI to have full confirmation. So far, it's a partial. Let's move on weekly. On weekly, we have full confirmation, right? Our awesome oscillator bullish, MACD bullish, RSI bullish, moving averages bullish, all indicators bullish. Even like two weeks in a row, it was red bars. We had 2 red bars in a row. I believe, yeah, like I said, it should retest this trend line, at least retest this trend line, maybe to revisit 200, MA200. It will make like triple bottom, retested MA200 and bottom from it. Okay, let's move to VIX, volatility index for SPY. It's a bearish on MACD, on RSI and oscillator. It's a bullish for SPY on monthly. Weekly VIX, weekly it's bearish, all bearish, also bearish. It's a bullish for SPY. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones monthly. Dow Jones monthly. MA5 did bullish crossover. Dow Jones monthly. MA5 did bullish crossover. Last bar above all moving averages between 2 trend lines. MACD is still bearish. RSI is still bearish. Oscillators bullish. Like 2 indicators bullish, 2 indicators bearish. It's still, yeah, kind of 50-50 mode. Not full confirmation. On weekly, it's a different story, right? On weekly, actually, on weekly, it's kind of, yeah, MACD is still bullish, flat, and RSI bullish, flat. Oscillator changed to red. Moving averages, bullish, flat. Still bullish on weekly. Let's move to VXD, volatility index for Dow Jones. It's negative, it's bearish on all indicators. accept awesome oscillator, it's a bullish for Dow on monthly. Let's check weekly. Weekly, similar story. It's bearish on the RSI, MACD, and awesome oscillator. Only bullish on awesome oscillator, on bullish only on one indicator. It's bearish. We can consider bearish, and it's a bullish for Dow. Let's move to IWM. IWM monthly. IW monthly, bullish. You see MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, last bar above MA20. It's a bullish. MACD is still bearish, RSI is still bearish, awesome oscillator is still bearish. Awesome oscillator already bullish. It's a 50-50, 2 indicators bullish, 2 indicators bearish. Let's move to weekly. Weekly, all indicators bullish. IWM weekly bullish on all indicators, last bar above all moving averages, and above major trend line and above 200. It's a bullish trend, right? That's what we have, bullish trend on all indicators. Okay, let's move to Apple. Apple monthly. Apple monthly, and because of that split, Apple monthly bullish on all indicators. Let's move to weekly. Weekly, it's a bullish on all indicators, right? MA5 did bullish crossover, last bar above MA50, 10, 20, and 5. Bullish trend on MACD, on RSI, and awesome oscillator. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla monthly. Tesla monthly bearish, bearish on all indicators. Last bar below all moving averages, below 200. MACD bearish, RSI bearish, awesome oscillator bearish, all indicators bearish. Let's move to weekly. What's going on with weekly Tesla? Tesla monthly bearish, weekly bullish. It did bullish crossover on the moving averages, MACD bullish crossover, RSI, awesome oscillator bullish. Let's move to BABA. BABA monthly. BABA monthly, bullish crossover on MACD, RSI wants to go bullish, awesome oscillator bullish, MA5 ready for bullish crossover also. BABA wants to go bullish on monthly. Let's see. Let's see weekly. Weekly, BABA already was bullish, and it's trying to get bearish. 4 weeks in a row it was bearish. It had, yeah, it did created 4 red bars, and it closed below MA5 and 10. It's trying to get to MA20. MACD is still bullish, RSI still bullish, awesome oscillator already red, already bearish. We need to close below MA20 to change, to give full reversal, bearish reversal signal. I believe yeah, on weekly time frame. Oh, we'll see. We'll see. So far it's bullish. It's bullish except only one indicator. Let's check daily. Daily it's bearish, right? It's bearish from January 20th. Still bearish on all indicators, and the last bar it touched MA at 200. It means it can bounce from A200, or it can do bearish crossover and go lower. MA5 ready to do bearish crossover over 50. MA100 below MA200 still, right? Still bearish trend on all indicators on daily. Bearish on a daily, on weekly it's bullish and changing direction, and monthly it's bullish crossover on MACD. That's what we have with BABA. Okay, let's do summary. Let's do summary for indexes. For indexes, summary monthly. Let's do Q's monthly. Look at it. Monthly. Let me maximize it. Let me maximize it, my charts. Let's see what we have with charts, right? Currently, MA5, MA10 and bars below MA20. Similar, we observed, yeah, we didn't observe anything until, yeah, it's hard to see on this bar. We observed a similar in 2008, last time. Last time I observed the same situation in 2008. We'll see if this situation will bring us the critical situation and market crash, or we will bounce and we will go above the MA20. So far it's a bearish trend on monthly time frame. No changes, still bearish. It bounced from MA50. On weekly it's a bullish. On weekly it's a fully bullish. On monthly it's still bearish. Same for the other indexes, right? Like SPY. On monthly it is still bearish. It wants to have some correction bullish, but still bearish. It bounced from MA50 also, but the last bar above the MA20. Month is not over. It can come back below 20. So far it's above. MACD bearish, RSI bearish. Osmo Slater green. But on weekly it's bullish. All indexes on monthly they still bearish, but on weekly they all bullish. We'll see what will happen, because daily all indexes they all bearish. We'll see if daily market can bring weekly to bearish to destroy the bullishness on the market. But so far weekly it's a strong bull run on weekly time frame, and monthly it's a bearish. That's all. If you want to learn more about this monthly, I did publish also monthly review on TradingView. It's a little bit different. It's more simple review, more easiest way. More easiest ways with less indicators, only one MACD indicator. You can learn it from it too. Just go to my YouTube channel playlist and just watch it. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please review it. Thank you for watching a simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe for our YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you and good luck. Bye now.